2019 Nissan Rogue. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm system. These cars from factory, they do come with, some of them come with the factory alarm system, but they do not come with any type of impact sensor. The way to test yours out to see if you have a factory alarm system, you lower the driver's window, start the car, turn off the car, close the door, hit lock in the remote control, walk away. Walk away and keep this thing far away from the car, and give it like a minute. When that little lock on the dash, you're gonna see like a little lock starts flashing. Once it starts flashing, it's ready for you, and then you can come and just reach in and pull the lever and open the door and see if the horn starts honking. If the horn starts honking, you have a factory alarm system, and then you give us a call, and then we can add to the factory alarm system. We can add the shock sensor to it. So if anybody tries to bust out the lock or the window anywhere in the car, we'll fire off the alarm. So the same thing, you hit unlock and that will disable the factory alarm system. So yeah, this is a nice little add-on. So if anybody tries to break your window, bust out the key lock, that sort of thing, the alarm will fire off, and at least you got some protection, and they don't sit there in the middle of the night and go shopping inside your vehicle. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And yes, we do have free mobile service. We come out to you.